Lying, sitting or standing in asymmetrical positions can cause serious problems over time. Correct positioning is especially important for people who are lying for 8 to 10 hours during the night, remembering that some studies suggest people with disabilities could be lying in bed for up to 30% more than the general population. In some cases, this may be even more than that, for example in groups like the frail, the aged or critically ill. We've brought in a new positioning range from Asklé that will help clinical professionals and carers to achieve good positioning for those who need it. With our Asklé starter kit, you'll get essential positioning aids that you can use to achieve good alignment from head to toe. You can use these aids in so many ways. We've put together some videos that will give you and your teams some ideas about how to use them in a few different scenarios. Correct positioning can make a world of difference, so for more about our positioning range, please get in touch.